Hello, my name is Dr. Pritchett and I am a member of our Early College team. In this video, I will show you how to properly complete the online Early College registration form. Students will need to complete this form each term they plan to take a course with us. It is accessible from your laptop or your smartphone. To access this form, you will need to visit troy.edu/earlycollege. Once you arrive on our webpage, scroll down to the How to Apply section. You will then see the form linked on Step 7. Click on the link and you will be taken to the first step of the registration process. On this webpage, you will need to enter your Troy University email address, a parent or guardian email address, as well as the email address for your high school counselor. All three of these parties need to sign and approve your registration request. Once you are inside the form, you will fill in your personal information. This includes your student ID number, which was provided in your Early College acceptance email. Next, select where you plan to take courses with us and when you plan to take those courses. The next step is filling in the course information for the courses that you would like to take. An example is provided for you in the chart below. A list of courses offered can be found by clicking on the Schedule of Classes button on our Early College webpage. As a dual enrollment student, you are able to take any 1,000 and 2,000 level courses as long as you meet the prerequisite requirements. The department, course number, and section code should be found on the course scheduling page. It is important to note that the section code tells us which professor you would like to learn with. For example, Dr. Pritchett may be teaching LDR 1100 XTIA, while Dr. Williamson is teaching LDR 1100 XTIB. If you do not list a section code, our Early College team will place you in the section we feel is best. Once you, a parent or guardian, and your high school counselor have completely filled out the form, it will automatically be emailed to our Early College team. From there, our Early College team will work on registering you for your requested course or courses. Once you've been registered, you will receive a confirmation email in your Troy University inbox. If at any time you wish to drop a course, please contact the Early College team at dualenrollment@troy.edu.